बेहद की परम 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 महाशांति. In this video, we would discuss about astrology. Does an astrological prediction affect the life of people? In Hindu scriptures, it is mentioned about the sun that it revolves around the earth. Earlier, the earth orbits in the whole universe, therefore, the sun included in 12 zodiac signs. According to astrology, sun supposed to spin around all the planets, but now sun is not moving, rather all the planets revolve around the sun. When the first astrology was written, at the time the sun orbits all the planets, sun moves in all 12 zodiac signs. Our astrological knowledge is affected from this difference in the position and movement of the sun, and now the impact of the sun has stopped. Therefore, the astrology is affected and failing because the sun is stable and do not come in any zodiac sign. So, how it will affect? Gradually, the effect of sun and all the planets are getting lesser and lesser. Therefore, the probability of any prediction or related things by the astrologer is slowing down. Astrologers are playing with the sentiments of the innocent people and bring fear in their life by scaring them from the negative effect of the planets like Rahu and Ketu, which are shadows, and they could also change from negative to positive. When we address Shani as Shani Devta or god of Saturn, if we call them Devta, then it is positive. Negative doing souls cannot be addressed as deity, therefore, any god, whether god of Saturn or god of Venus, if it give contentment and happiness, we call them deity, but if it give discontentment and sadness, then he is not God. Therefore, if you worship and pray Almighty God, then nothing bad can happen to you. When you meditate with Almighty Parbrahma Parameshwar, you will be free from everything. You don't have to pray anybody else. The creator of the planet is Almighty Authority. Henceforth, connect to Him. Gayatri Mantra is made for Parbrahma Parameshwar. It indicates towards the divine light. Everybody should worship the Almighty Parbrahma Parameshwar. In coming time, the moves of the planet would also change. The gravity of the sun will also change. There will be change in this universe and in all infinite universe. There are so many galaxies. Small galaxies unite with the big galaxies. There will be changes in galaxies and in our universe, which is 150 billion light years. Almighty Authority is the real power behind the operation of the universe, multiverse, and so on. And when you connect to Him, no negative effect of any planet comes to you, and negative effect will change to positive. बेहद की परम 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 महाशांति.